How to fix YouTube video quality. Now in order to fix YouTube video quality, just simply open the video that you are playing, which is in the low quality, and then tap to this gear button from the top right corner. After tapping in there, you will get to see the option of quality at very top. Select quality and then you will get the options like auto, higher picture quality, data saver and advanced. Now if you have chosen auto or data saver or lower qualities and advanced, your video will automatically be in lower qualities most of the times. Now if you want to improve or fix your video quality, simply select the higher video quality like 720p, 1080p and 1440p. For example, let's select 1080p, and then if you go back into the quality, you can also select higher picture quality from here. And after doing this much, your YouTube's video quality will be fixed and it will show it in very good quality. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.